Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you for the Zodiac monkey in 2023, which is the year of the water rabbit. If you're born in the following period, your Zodiac is a monkey and you have so many beautiful advantages. I list 6 congenital advantages for your reference. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first one. Zodiac monkey is a really smart, not just normal smart, they're really smart. If you have any issue or any problem, any challenge, you can't fix it, I suggest you go talk to Zodiac monkey. Maybe they will give you a new insight and give you a good way to solve the problem. So this is what you can try. Okay, the second thing is Zodiac monkey is born to be a leader. So in the bottom of the heart, they have a really strong leadership skill, especially when a team is like have different voice and then nobody want to take action. Zodiac monkey will stand up and do the right thing, because in the bottom of their heart they have a really strong leadership skill, which is in their spirit. Okay, the number three is in the bottom of their heart they have a really warm heart and helpful personality. So in terms, if you need anything or they see somebody in need, they will just don't hesitate to stand up and then give them a hand. So this is something good for them and then good for the community too. Okay, the number four, which is the flexibility skill. So the monkey is so flexible. Just maybe fixing the same issue, the same problem, they have maybe more than 10 different ways to fix it. Some is effective, some is like a creative style to do that. So they are really flexible. Okay, the number five is because Zodiac monkey is really smart. So if you want to cheating or if you want to do something behind, they may discover it. So it's really not easy for you to take advantage in terms of when you face the Zodiac monkey. But sometimes, I don't know why, they just let you to do that. They know that, hey, you are taking advantage of them, but they will let you to do that. Maybe they have a really warm heart. Okay, the last one is Zodiac monkey is born to be a public speaker. So it's really good for them to face in front of the people and then to present their presentation, to deliver some special message, and then to lead the team. So the public speaking skill is born inside their heart. Okay, the next one is the congenital disadvantage. The first one for Zodiac monkey is in the bottom of their heart, they have a really strong self-esteem, self-ego. So they have some pride inside their heart. They will think that, hey, they may be better than other people. So it will create some unnecessary misunderstanding. Okay, the second one, which is sometimes. So Zodiac monkey, they have some nosiness. They think maybe they see something unfair. They see someone is not really good. They can't take it. They'll just stand up and then give the weak part a hand, give some people a hand. So you create, you help the people definitely, but you create some unnecessary conflict to the Zodiac monkey itself. Okay, the last one is Zodiac monkey would like to be on the spotlight. So you create lots of attention, lots of people will just focus on them. It's good for them to show off, but you create some misunderstanding. People think, hey, maybe you are sometimes you are too present, you are too dominant in the group. So there's some misunderstanding situation. Okay. The next thing I would like to share with you is for you, if you want to build like a successful team, you need to find a rat and dragon, 3 of them. Monkey, rat, and dragon, 3 of them together can form a really strong and stable, productive business team. And let's say if you want to find your soulmate, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, snake is the best choice among other zodiac. And please try all your best, stay away from tiger and pig, especially pig, because it's not really good for you. Okay, the next topic I would like to share with you is the timing issue. The following is a really good timing for you, every single day from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. and then from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. is your good luck timing. Anything important, use this good luck timing to do that. Any big contract you want to sign, any big decision you want to make, any important meeting or something important to do, schedule them on your good luck timing. It will definitely help. And stay away from those following bad luck timing, which is every single day from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. and then from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Those are not really good for you. And for 2023, you have a 3 lucky star blessing you. Okay, the first thing is you duck. This star is if let's say you're a guy, some female will come to you and help you out. If you're a female, some guy will show up and give you a hand. So this is a good, some opposite sex will show up and give you a hand. So if let's say if you're in need, this star will help you out. And then the second is the Guardian. This is also some like a good people surrounding you will help you out when you're in need. The last one is a day guide. This one is a really good, something like a solution. If you are in a trouble or if you need some help, this star will help you out to solve the issue. So it's really good for you. And you have a 3 inauspicious start this year. The first one is a gift start. This one is not really good for your money luck, not really good for your health too. And then the other is a 死符. This star is also not really good for your health. Okay, the last one is a 小号. This one is not really good for your money luck, so you need to pay attention. But don't worry, because you have a 3 lucky star, especially the day guide, just like a solution to fix lots of issues. So 2025, it won't be too bad. Okay, in terms of the overall forecast for 2025, the tough time is gone. The tough time is the last year. For 2022, I'm sure you have some understanding. Hey, last year is not a really good year for you. Too much challenge, too much ups and downs, too much misunderstanding, miscommunication, just everything seems to be stuck in 2022. But 2025, everything will be better since the tough time is gone. But still, you have some issue you need to pay attention, but it's not too serious. You need to pay attention for February, May, August, and November. Apart from that, everything should be fine. Okay, the next item is the financial forecast. You need to keep an eye on your like a portfolio. Keep your mind sharp, your brain clean and calm. You can discover some good opportunity, but there's a lot of junk, lots of trap outside. So you need to really calm down and assess every single opportunity closely and avoid excessive spending. That will help. Okay, the next thing is the career forecast. The best idea is to keep your job and to take care of those hidden enemy. You got some enemy in the shadow. Be careful for them. The next item is the love and family forecast. Still, this year there's a lot of misunderstanding and then lots of conflict. But again, it's time to fix those like an old conflict. It's time to solve it. Okay, the last item is the health forecast. There will be some hidden health concern. So I suggest you take like a balanced time. You focus on your work, that will be good, but you need to balance it to have some leisure time to relax yourself. So I wish you good luck in 2025 and thanks for watching. Good luck. Bye. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.